Hi, I'm Sadie.
Hi, I'm Halie.
And I'm Gavin. And for requirement 1, we're going to show you how to take care of our shovels. So first, what you need to do is you need to make sure you keep your shovels clean. This one has dirt on it, so we need to get that off. And then, so the next step is to sharpen all of your tools to make sure that they are able to dig into the ground properly and they don't have rust on them.
And then you take some sort of oil and put it on all of the shovels so that it stays protected, and we're not using linseed oil because it is highly combustible. And we need to store it in a dry place that is also clean.
So they don't end up
and
like
off
this.
the ground. We're gonna go get these cleaned up and be right back.
This is to fill requirement 2A. Now that these are all clean and rust-free, we are going to oil them.
We're going to use tongue oil because it is a safer alternative to
Linseed.
oil.
Only do the blade, okay?
Not by handle.
No.
Yes. And instead of going down.
Now that we have oiled them, let's go store them in a cool, dry, and off-the-ground place. Thank you for watching. This is requirement 2A for Home Repair Badge.